Hi guys, how you doing this morning? Usman here. Today I'm going to do a quick food review on this brand new item called Doritos Loaded. It's in the pieces section. I should go to the store. I box up Walmart for like $3, and the box of it actually looks pretty good on the outside of the box, and it's the nacho cheese flavor, and I don't know what other flavor comes in because I forgot. It's the first time seeing it. Actually, my second time seeing it because I saw it once before, and I'm a huge Doritos fan, and I'm interested in trying this new item right here. And it has two different cooking instructions: the conventional oven and the toaster oven. And I'm going to do the toaster oven method, and I'm reading the instructions, and I'm going to take it out of the packaging and show it to you guys. Here you go, guys. It looks nice and crisp on the outside. And now I got to get this ready to cook. I'm going to heat up for like 11 minutes and set it on like 450 degrees, which is right here. And now I'm going to get started cooking it, and then I'll let you know when it's ready. Okay, here they are, nice and crispy, burning hot. It sit for like a few minutes, like 5 minutes to be exact. And now I'm going to take one and test it right now. Okay, here we go. All or nothing. Okay. This is nice. This is real nice. See? It's really nice, crispy on the outside, most on the inside. It really does taste like a Dorito. You know what? This is so delicious. I'm going to give Doritos Loaded Nacho Cheese version a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching my food review. If you like my food review, stay tuned for more and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to like and comment as well. As usual, I got promo words to say to you. Peace, love, and stay outrageous. Bye. Crispy. What's the dishes?